Writing Apex tests but struggling with test data? Today, I'll show you exactly how to create clean, reusable, and reliable test data for your Apex test classes with a real example you can copy and paste. Let's jump in. In Salesforce, Apex test methods must run in isolation. That means your tests can't depend on real org data. You must create your own test data inside the test. This ensures your tests are predictable, stable, and won't break when org data changes. Follow these best practices. Use a dedicated test data factory class. Keep your test data minimal. Only create what's required. Use a test setup when possible to avoid duplication. Never hard-code IDs. Let's build a simple test data factory that creates an account, a contact, and an opportunity. You can reuse this in every test class. Here is the Test Data Factory Apex class. Let's take a moment to check this. Now let's use this factory inside an Apex test class. Notice how clean and readable the test becomes. This structure keeps your tests clean, maintainable, and easy to scale as the system grows. Pro tip: if multiple tests need the same base data, use Attest Setup to generate shared test records for all methods. It speeds up your test runs. And that's how you create clean, reusable test data in Apex. If you want a full test data factory template, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Salesforce content.